Recording. Okay, we have connection. Here look decent. Uh-huh. Public. Sweet. Let's see that it's
Sweet.
work. Let's. Oh, my headphones are not connected. Here we go. Here we are. Okay, a little bit off to a rough start. Oh my god, already a viewer. Okay. Welcome everyone. Welcome everyone to the third stream, the third Management Tower Defense live stream. Let me just go ahead and announce it on Discord at everyone. Stream is going. Okay. Welcome everyone. So yesterday we did a little cool thing and we made this. So we it can, well, we didn't make all of it, but we made all the little prefabs that go onto each one. So today I was thinking that we do harvesting, and then we can also set up the inventory today as well. Two things which should be quite easy, so I'm looking forward to it. Yeah, let's get right into it. We'll just wait a few seconds for people to join. Welcome. So yeah, so we're doing harvesting and inventory today. So I'm actually really excited about today. I've been waiting to do this. I'm just gonna get some no copyright music going. Nice. Nice. Okay, sweet. Let's go ahead and get... I guess we just do the inventory first. Or... No, let's do harvesting first, I think. So, how do we sort harvesting? So let's say tile has information, right? Maybe we'll have a button over here called harvest or something. There you go. We'll do a harvest button, and I mean that can be grayed out / removed if it can't be harvested. I think that would work quite well. I am doing very well. How are you, man? Hey, Danask, how you doing? Should be a pretty... Waiting for Olive, fair enough. Yeah, it should be a pretty fun day of developing today. I've actually been looking forward to this one. Yeah, I'm doing really good, man. We're doing inventory, and we're doing inventory, and we're doing harvesting. So we should be able to, by the end of this stream, be able to harvest the resources and get resources into our inventory. So that should be really fun. Should be. What? Alright. I'm just getting the harvest button set up and then the button like panel, and then we can, because we'll have other actions I think for each tile. Maybe harvest, maybe I don't know, build like clear improvement on it. Think like Civ, I guess. Probably the best way to put it. go. I am quite tired today, but we'll, you know, we'll push through. I'm pretty excited for the stream, so. I don't know. I haven't made a proper good inventory system in a while, so. I'm just really liking the way it's looking. Feels nice. I think probably tomorrow we might work on the camera controller, unless we figure out something else to do by the end. Alright, well, that's Harvest Button set up, so I guess we can get all that set up. I don't know actually how we will do this. I think it'll be a tile method. I probably could just handle it all within the tile. Oh, actually, wait. Tile selector. So instead of tile selector, this should be probably named like tile interactor, right? Maybe we just make a header and put all this under interaction. And then or selection. And then we can make another header for interaction. Played, if any of you guys that are watching, like, Magic the Gathering, I went to the card shop today. Not expecting to get much, and I ended up getting a $55 card. Traded it in for more cards. So, that was pretty fun. You know what? $55, yeah. Got me an extra 5 packs of cards. 5 packs of 15, and I ended up getting another $32 card. So yeah. I mean, yeah, I've got my most expensive one's like 95 or something. Well, yeah, it's kind of wild that like a card game can actually have that like expensive cards. Kind of doesn't make sense. Yeah. It's cardboard. Hey, the cards are good, so I just use them. Hey Kiwi, how you doing? We're working on harvesting, and we're working on inventory today. Kind of like CS, exactly, like CSGO and Rust, Unturned. Exactly, it's like basically nothing you're buying. It's like $2,000. On each tile, we did make tile information. I'm actually so glad. So I mean, to be fair, I think yeah, we have tags. We can just search through the tags for the tile selector. So I less than information. Tags. Got a job interview tomorrow finally, so that should be fun, you know. Finally get a job. At a bar and restaurant. Switch statement. We can just like figure out what tags there are. I mean, I think we can just pass it. Stream. Yeah, stream's up. I think we can... Thanks, man. We'll see. I mean, it's just for glass cleaning work behind the bar, so... Or bartending, depending on I don't kind of want to do bartending. I don't think I'm ready for that. Lumber, stone, iron, wheat, meat. Okay. Lumber, stone, iron, wheat, meat. I don't know why I'm passing this as a integer, but it's actually more simple data types, so it's probably actually a lot more efficient than just passing the enum straight through. Okay, so this is kind of as lumber. Remove resource. Actually, no, we don't remove resource with it in switch statement. We should remove it. No, we do need to remove it. I'm just commenting this for myself so then we can go ahead and add it all later. Stone, iron, wheat, meat. Okay, inventory time. Inventory manager. Man, I haven't named something that in a while. Last one I made was for my game, Holy. So that was interesting. I mean, okay, we actually just need another class. I mean, hold on. If we just do a list... I mean, this should be really easy, to be fair. Yeah, this should be really easy. All we do is just add item. If it's not in the inventory, then we add it to the inventory. And the item class should public... I don't even think it's this hard. Wait. Public string name. A public string... the description, I guess. And then a public integer for the amount. And you can't have a max, and you can't have a minimum, so it's literally as simple as just in the either start or awake, but I'm gonna do start. Yeah, I mean, if it goes well, you know, it'll be free, I think. I'm gonna do it for free. I'll put it on, like, itch.io and Steam, whatever is easier for people, you know? So if we can end up working on it enough, we maybe mobile, you know, if we work on it enough and we get mobile inputs working. Yeah, I mean, if we're lucky and everything goes well, we might have like a working demo in like 2 weeks. That'd be kind of cool. I mean, to be fair, for a game like this, I think if we had a working demo, I'd be playing it for like 40 minutes of the stream and would get very minimal work done. It's not. There's no input even in this yet. Oh no, there is. It's A and D. Okay, well, yeah, we probably will use new input system. But to be fair, I mean, I just used the old one and it works fine. But yeah, we probably will use the new one. Yay, constructor classes. I did as well. It's like, it's not even hard though, eh? Like, it's not too bad. Like, you start using it and it's just like... Multiple input types. Exactly. If you need controller input, it's basically built in. Like you just add in like one more keypad, like key function. It is a lot more simple. It's just can't. I mean, it can't really do controllers. We do have a controller, so we can test with Xbox input, gamepad input later. So that should be pretty cool. I don't even have an Xbox. I bought that controller for Dark Souls. Because Dark Souls is like actually busted if you use a controller. Yeah, it was like 99 bucks and I bought it for Dark Souls instead of Dark Souls 3. So I don't have to use the bloody WASD. Because it's so much worse with WASD. I mean, I ended up using it for Assassin's Creed as well, because I don't know. A lot of games. Going for car games, yeah. I think just in general, keyboards weren't meant for stuff like that require minute inputs. Because you have to fully press down the key to do anything. Here we go. Alright, let's get all the rest of the items set up. Boom. What a waste of money, man. How much did you spend on your new keyboard that arrived like 2 days ago? Welcome, Bubia. Hope you're having a good day. I think you probably could. Let me see. Yep, $4.98. Oh, no, you can get that's for a good one. You can get a Gorilla Gaming one for $179. Literally half the price. Rocky Substance pulled straight from my yard for the stone. Boy, I love writing descriptions. Fleshy food. That's how you describe meat, right? Fleshy food. And then... Okay. Consumable parts of animals. I don't know if... I mean, any part of an animal is consumable, right? Like... less than items... Count. The reason why we're doing a list instead of array as well, so we can dynamically add them. But, I mean, if you're just using a set number, you probably don't even need that. You can just have an array. Nice references. You put your mind to it. I mean, some cultures eat, like, literally all parts of the animal, right? Like, they'll eat the... personally, I'll probably never want to try, like, heart or liver or offal in general. But, you know, to each your own. Kelly Sense kind of screwed that up. Yeah, they're like bites and testicles there. Yummy. Nah, I probably wouldn't try that. That's a little bit nasty. What's really cool about inventories like this is we can actually just call the, oh, also we return our list so we just don't do unnecessary loops. But we can also just, like, update the inventory only when we add items, or remove items, because that's only when you need to do it, so. Super efficient. It brings on annotations. I think I'm just gonna include the UI in this script as well. Usually I do it in a separate one, but I mean this is so small either way that I don't think it matters. Like this is literally the code here for this type of inventory. Or, I mean, to be fair, right, we'll just do like public. If we want to keep it clean, we just go public static inventory manager instance, yeah, and then we can make a public event on item added. Public, oh wait, no, wait, we go public delegates. I haven't done this in a while. Delegate void. I add item delegate. Yep. On item added. Do I do it like that? Yeah, I haven't done that in a while. I like that I did that. I was able to do that. That's nice. And then we can actually just do on item added, but sometimes that's not what I want. Ooh, Kiwi. There's a way to do it so then you... Yeah, like, no. But if... God, I hate nesting. If on item added not equal to null. Oh, the nested if statements. Well, we can actually, instead of nesting, we can just do that. And then if it's not equal to the name, then we continue. Let me just check what the continue operator does. Do not use it too much. Yeah, it skips. Okay, easy. Thought so. Dot. If on item added is not equal to null. Okay. Yep. And then it's gonna call the on item add method, and the reason why we can do that is we can just go UI resource display. And let's actually chuck this in an inventory folder, just so we know what we're doing. Inventory. Nice. Let's hit inventory. Then, I mean, each one just needs one text. I think. I have a feeling, guys, we're gonna be finished way before the stream ends. Like, it's 24 minutes and we already have like an inventory and stuff. So I have a feeling we're gonna be done in like an hour for the harvesting. So I don't know what we're gonna be doing for the rest. Setting up action points, maybe. Which, I mean, I'm happy with that. Public board stuff. And we can inventory manager instance dot on item added plus equals to add item. Nice. So this will be called every time an item gets added to our inventory, and then we can see exactly which item. Oh, that's not good though, actually. Depends on where we call it. Maybe it passes through too, right? It should pass through an item for the add item, and another item for the, what do you call it? The added item? The adder. The adder. The base, maybe? Nope. Base item, maybe. Mind, I'm retarded. Scrap the way that we did it before. Don't even worry about it, guys. I am mentally stable, definitely. And we can actually on item added items with I. Yep. After we've added. Amount text dot text is equal to item amount dot toString. Well, that's that. And then I think all we need to do is under the tile selector, make it so we can go inventory manager dot instance dot add item, and that takes in a string and an amount. We can worry about the amount later. I think the amount should just be 1 for each one, and then we can always worry about that later. Welcome new viewers, by the way. And yeah, we can just copy paste this for each one. And like, it's actually crazy because all these resources will be really easy to add in now. Because all the code's there to, like, all the logic's there for them. We can simply just add them in. Stone. Iron. I know we haven't seen the game, seen the beautiful art in a while, so we'll go back there in a sec once we get all this. And we can actually information dot tags dot remove that I. There we go. Nice. Easy. And then and after all that we actually need to return. I think. Yeah. Oh, I mean, is that like, I think that might be it. How long is that? Not even 30 minutes through. Okay. This is the harvest button. Let's add one. And let's select the map generator. Go down to tile selector. And we go. Hey, where's harvest? Can I... There's no way. Alright, we're gonna have to set that up manually. Why can't, like... This is so annoying. Can I expose the tile information and then we can do it? But it's already serialized. That's so dumb. You're telling me I have to manually set it up. God. Oh, we can manually set it up. It's fine. I don't know. I just feel like you should be able to see like classes, class data in there. However, I guess no, that doesn't really make sense actually. We actually just don't even need the like we can just go tile information is equal to current selected get component tile information we just don't need that either. Nice. What do you mean? What's expected? Oh. Okay. Now we can go tile selector, harvest. Okay. We build. Okay. Okay, let's... There's no inventory. There's no... I'm actually so dumb. How did I not, like, see that? That I need to add an inventory in? Okay, I mean... Now... Another object reference. It's not being compiled properly or something? I never set the instance equal to this. Water break time, peeps. Some water and I allow scripts like Ellen. Plate. No object reference, come on. Ugh. Okay. It removed! It removed! Okay, I'll show you with another one. Okay, if you click on this one, say stone, harvest, right? Click on another one, click back to it. Pile contains nothing. So all we need to do now is whenever we harvest, we have to... this. We just... I think either way we're gonna update at the end. Cause we're not... I mean, it's not inefficient to do it. Yes! Okay, now we just need to remove all the assets. Now, that's gonna be a little harder. What we might want to do is we just... They should be, yeah. Boom. Assets on each one. Hey Dave, how's it going? They're gonna be, there's gonna be assets on an asset object, and we'll just always set that as the first child. Probably a better way to do it, but... Because... I like the idea of keeping it all as a hierarchy, because then if the object moves, then the children move, and we don't need to worry about like a parent constraint, which is pretty much always a nightmare to deal with. I always just hate doing those types of things. So we're gonna we're gonna put all the stones under an asset, all the objects under, yeah, like this. Oh, that's a lot of trees, actually. Yeah, so we've already got harvesting and all that sort of set up, so should be pretty cool. If you guys have any ideas of what we should do for the rest of the stream, I'm all ears. What I should work on. Maybe actually setting up the tiles so then we can kill some enemies, build some objects. Add item 1. So now when we remove, yeah, maybe we go public void. Remove resource. And this can take in a... What does that take in? Put function on the tile to toggle resource visibility. Well, what I'm thinking is that would work, but what happens if we want to just remove the resource and then add a new one on? Are we just gonna have like 20 resources, or if more grow back or something, we're gonna have like 20 resources that have been turned off and turned back on and stuff? Oh, and then we also need the... So maybe the resource should be a separate object added onto the tile. Yep, so the resource is under a child object of the tile, and I've just called it assets. So then we can just remove them at will. It's quickly and easily without having to do a lot. Oh, they look so much cleaner. Stone. Iron. Wheat. Wheat. Okay, and then... That's all good, man. It's good we think about this type of stuff. Oh, and then we also need the item, or the tag idea. How have you been, Dave? Yeah, that's what I need to do. Oh, actually delete the... Oh, welcome. Nice. Good job, Kiwi. Work on the assignment. Everyone who does game dev in here, work on something to do with game dev. It'll be a game dev workathon. Alright, so we need to remove this thing. That. So I think we can just destroy. Even though it's like document archive business platform. Hey man, it's not too late to get started. Document archive business platform. I don't even know what to say to that. Like, is that like old, like keeping records of companies and then like putting them in a massive archive room and stuff? So that's what it sounds like to me. Yes, we're good. We're good. Harvest the resources now. Long-term digital archiving. I see. I mean, it's kind of cool. I mean, it might not be interesting, but I mean, you get to work with like the giant server rooms. Like, do you have like a server room in your building that's like, I don't know, 200 petabytes or some shit like that? Let's just expose that, I guess. Nuremberg? It's in Germany or something? Hey, it is Germany. That's cool. Massive. It'd be kind of... Surely you'd get like lost walking through all the servers. Alright, so I've harvested lumber. I mean, that just kind of looks like, sounds like German. I guess. Nuremberg. It sounds bad, but the reason why I thought it was German is because it sounds a lot like Nuremberg. And wasn't there like that whole thing, like war crimes? Like the Nuremberg trials or something like that? And yeah, by the way, our thing's working. If we harvest, the amount goes up. Hey. Oh, it's the same place. Oh, okay. Interesting. This project's looking really cool, guys. I like this. Harvest all the wood. Yeah, by the Allies against Germany for invading other countries. Oh. How much lumber do we get? Okay, and it's good. We actually just don't get any errors if we try harvest something that has nothing. That's really nice. Now, I was thinking of what enemies we could put. What about cute little slimes? Little slimes hopping around? That'd be kind of cool. I don't want to get buildings set up though first. Maybe you click on the tile, you click on the like a hammer icon, and it pulls up this little menu where you can build. Oh no! You know what's a really good what's a good the Warcraft 3. Let me just try find the UI. For Warcraft 3, because this would be like the perfect UI. This type of thing. You have, so what would happen is when you used to build, it would give you all the options of what to build down below. I'm just trying to find one. Anyway, so where all these little icons are here is where you would put like it would be like, oh yeah, watchtower goes there, the town hall, the barracks, So I think that would be really cool to do something like that with this, so we could have a panel down here or something, and it has the different things you can build. I'm gonna put inventory up here as well. So maybe we can work on that now. Just gonna get... Boop. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, like that. Height of 250. This one. 25. Height of 0. Lift of like 700 or something. I think that actually just should be enough. Now let's see if our code works for each item. Alright, well, the inventory can be managed vertically. Wait, variables? What? What is this? Oh, I've done something, haven't I? No! Oh, it's visual scripting. Oh, no. It's gonna be taking ages. Maybe not. Never mind. Let's remove that. I don't want to use visual scripting. Hey, Rust, Oliver. You just gonna go play on Bingus or something? Okay, each one of those works like that. Oh, and that needs a horizontal. That would work. And we can have the icon. And we can have the amount. Control child height. By 30, and then the amount can just sit in the center. Sweet. UI tile information no, not tile information. UI resource display. Mount text, boom. And what am I doing? Public string. If item name equal to item dot name. Easy. Lumber. Stone. Iron. Wheat. Meat. That's not meat. I spelled that one correct then? I did. Okay. Object reference not set. Okay. Is that still going? And start. We need to assign the instance and wait and await. Execution order, people. It's important. Okay. Yes! We can now see visual indication on when we harvest resources. This is massive, people. How about we get some textures? What is that? Close. Let's get some textures going. I have a rough idea of what I want the textures to look like. I'm gonna keep with the low poly look. That is a fair point. Cool little animation, like we have for everything else. I think it would suit. That's a good idea. Trying to do a trying to do some like log. However, it's not looking too good. If we do something like this, I mean, hold on, if we like subdivide this a shitload and maybe use the displace. Woo! Clouds. Stored a bunch. This part's not looking too good. I mean, let me see how this looks. Let me assign that a texture. Kind of light texture. Like that, in my opinion, that doesn't look too awful. I mean, I'm just starting to give this some quick icons. It doesn't have to look amazing. Transparent. Square texture. That look like wood? Not really, but yo, that's wood for now. Maybe if we did like bundles of wood are more like universally recognized. We did something a little like that. And I just realized I needed it to be. It just needs to be a small icon. Doesn't need to be very big. Let's go ahead and I think that's perfect right there. It may not look entirely like wood right now. That's fine. Lumber. God, I edited down my stream, the first stream I did. It was, how long was that stream? 1.5 hours, and it took me 3 hours to edit it down into 7 minutes. You know what? Like, I was expecting longer, so I'll take it. I just watched some YouTube while doing it, to be fair, so it's not like it took much out of my day. It really didn't. Alright, all of these, their amount text needs to be padded, I think. Or in the center. There we go. Center. So now, if I harvest, yeah, I mean that works now. Nice for now. I just need the stone texture. And what am I gonna do for that? You know, this should actually all be done in the assets file. Boom. Now I can probably simply just set up one of these. I reckon we just do one rock with a whole bunch of pebbles around it. I could probably do a cool animation where the trees like rock and then fall down. Again, it's all animation curves. Like I can do anything with animation curves I want, which is so cool. That would just be a rotate over time. Turn this down. Bit of a quieter stream today, but that's I don't know, I'm quite tired. I just want to get some work done. And chill. See, doing streams is probably good for someone like me because I tend to get distracted extremely easily when I do it alone. Streaming gives me a reason to need to do stuff. Like, I would be 30% of the way I am now if I did it by myself. That's just simply to do probably a bit of my laziness. Alright, well, those are resources, like, sorted, basically. That's looking really cool. We need either a way to... How are you implementing multiplayer? Who says it needs multiplayer? But probably Mirror. I don't really like the new Unity one. All modern games need multiplayer. Is that like a prerequisite? Hey guys, how's it going? All modern games need multiplayer. There's plenty of solo games now that are fun. You know, most Assassin's Creed you'll never play multiplayer. And they're some of the best. I mean, Bloons doesn't even, I mean, it does have multiplayer, but like, to be fair, like 99% of the game you'll play single player. Hope everyone's having a good day. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just harvesting the rest. We need to figure out something to add now. Add more resources, or Maybe I start adding the enemies in. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do a straight line, maybe. How would I do that? You need social pressure to make people play more, otherwise they will stop playing. I feel like, I mean, that's true in a sense, but it depends on the type of audience you're going for. Like, some people like the story game, some people like a game that they can play by themselves to escape socializing. For real, like the old days. Minecraft didn't have multiplayer for ages, and it was an amazing game back then. Let's create a like a road tile. Just copy paste it. And I'll call the road tiles because that's where the enemies will walk. Yeah, that's the plan, I think. I think that's a good idea. Start doing it. It's fine. Road, new material. Because we don't need the rest of those objects to start doing anything yet. Like, sorry, resources. Okay. So if I did that, to be fair, I actually kind of need a way to... How do I generate the road in? Well, we need to find a line. If it's going along the X... Interesting. If I is divisible by X... Okay. Let's give this a go. Let's see. I'm not really good at this like logical math stuff, so we're just gonna do the old try until it works. So when we generate, we can create a integer called the rows. We're not even taking into account that we might do like things other than straight roads. Oh wow, that's difficult actually. What I might do, because we have the list of tiles. If we because we go Y first, right? It's 1 on the X. 1, 2, 3. Hey, how's it going, man? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if we go 1 in the middle, which would be number 4, then we add the length. Each one. That world size or X. That works. Okay. Oh wow. Let's go ahead and while do not like using while loops. Let's pick a start tile, and it has to be an edge. Oh, it's you. Hey, man. How's it? Oh, I will play later. Saw your message. Any follows? It's a good amount. How many am I at now? Like 805? Past 800 yesterday, which was pretty cool. $807? No. No. It's hardwired, so you're gonna write a range. World size. Oh. Okay, so we can start at 1 at Y. Let's just for loop first. Bye. See you, man. Yeah, okay. Both sides of egg, which is 7. And we can go through. We can go in. Oh. Okay, we can swap out the tile at a specific location. So tiles of I. Let's go ahead and first destroy tiles of I. Of X, sorry. Of start Y. And then we can set the tiles of start Y. Equal. And we're going to instantiate them. I need to store the position. Instantiate the road tile at the pos with Quaternion.identity. Okay, and then afterwards we can go start Y plus equals to world size dot X. No, world size dot Y. Okay. No, it is X. Okay. That... Oh, it is Y. I mean, we're doing square world anyway, so it doesn't matter, but... Does that work? Let's hope so. That should generate a road going from one end of the map to the other. Oh! Wait a minute. Strip mining, yo. So, What went wrong there? Wasn't that a good one? Let's do 3x3 for now. Okay, it all gets... I don't get it. Move next. 79. That's not the problem, surely. What's going wrong there? We're assigning the position. Okay. Index was outside bounds of array. But how? We're adding the tiles there, right? Oh, we've got to do this. That's interesting. Okay. Maybe. It might work. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Wait, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? What? What's wrong with it? Oh, does it always do it? Wait a minute. Boom. It generates. Oh, and then it puts it over there. What is that? That must be what this is. The store position. What? Oh my god, it was less than or equal to. That'll be Y. Okay. Okay. We're good on that, but it puts it all the way to the edge now. And that, no, that's not why. We're multiplying by tile size, and that doesn't matter? Okay, I'm still just really confused. Let me see. The road tile, their target position is 0, 0, 0. But we're storing it. It's not. How weird. We're assigning it. We instantiate it at the position. We set its target position. Instead, tiles dot get component. Dot target pos. Instead, if we get the target pos, we can actually then just assign it. as the position. We'll give it a go. So is there a little lag there? I don't. Yes! Yes! It works! That's so cool! Angry Ginge. Oh, okay. Oh, that guy, nice. Angry Ginge or something. Ginga. Nice. Thanks. Surely you don't have that bad of a haircut. Come on. If I put a little stuff in it, it would work a lot better. That would be a rough map to get this one. Oh, then how do we do turns? Oh my god. I mean... Oh my god. Do we do it based on direction? That would be painful. I am actually pretty happy with that so far. I want to make it do turns, but... how I do that without it looking like being really bad and probably having a lot of issues. So slightly, it is slightly down now. Also, it's generating between, like, it's never up top. Let me just speed up map generation so we can get one in, like, at 1 a second or some shit. Okay. Okay. I think it's working. Right, and these are road tiles, so we actually need to give them a few things. Do you make money? Nope. Probably won't as well. This is probably going to be a free game I'm going to release. What's it doing? Oh yeah, sitting tags. Okay. Tags, there is nothing on this. We need to actually add another biome onto it. Yay, another biome. Road. Right, so enemies can go along the road. And you know what? Like... Let's go ahead and, like... Let's go ahead and make, like, an enemy to go across it. I think all we need to do is actually just assign track points. And also, boom! We now have the tiles. The road tiles. Where just pan our camera up so. 5 by 5. I love how snappy it is now. Feels nice. That water tile, like, does nothing. So, let's think about this, right? It generates by going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So, we pick a Y level to go at, because this is the Y and that's the X. We pick a Y to go along. And then we can add incrementally an X every time. Now, if we wanted to go that way, we'd have to add a Y. If we wanted to go that way, we'd have to subtract a Y. If we want to come back, we have to subtract an X. And if we want to go forwards, we add an X. That's not confusing, actually. Like, hold on. I think I can do this, actually. However, the only problem is I actually won't know how to know when I'm actually at a edge. If we give it a maximum of 2 turns in any direction... Okay, we can do that. Int turns left. Okay. And we can actually store an integer for the direction. So now, instead of start y and int start x, right? No, wait, that's because that's just the start tile. That's fine. All we need to do is inside here we can make a switch statement, and this is how we determine which tile is next, is we can actually chuck this in. So case, and this is the direction. Turns left is equal to 2. So as long as we have turns that we can do, it can turn. So case 0. I think this should be pretty straightforward, to be fair. This only needs to be called once, so I mean, as much as people might hate on this, it can be as inefficient as we want, because it's only getting called once ever. What? It's equal to 0. If we count 0 as being the regular one, right? So we add a y every the world size dot y. That's world size dot x that we need. Thinking about it. Okay. Okay. So, let's think about this like this. We're going that way, and that is direction 1. Direction 2 is going down that way, and we minus a y for that. So we can minus equals to 1. However, if it's divisible by x, if start y, if start y remainder of world size dot x is equal to 0, then we break and we do not turn. Oh wait, we don't add, wait, then we can simply add that one instead. This is the Bennett 40. This is, Getting Over It music. Yep. Though, there is a little bit of irony in the fact that it's playing the music from Getting Over It while we're doing something that is quite hard. You know? Well, it's coding, so it's all pretty decently hard. Okay, it is boiling in here. A fan speed up? I mean, you know what? We can go over this. Might see some poor innocent man get stabbed. That's I shouldn't have laughed at that. Alright, let's think about this. Going backwards is the same as this one. However, wait, I'm just gonna Boris? Boris? Dartwinski? Instead of glossing, make a minus. I don't quite know how we handle... Oh, wait, if... Yeah, no, if it's divisible by the world border, right? If it's divisible by that, then we actually just return out of this method, I think. We need a set or... Yeah, that's actually fine for now. And there is we minus. If same with this is if the start y is divisible with the oh my god, that is big y. Oh my god, it's Matthew. That's crazy. How do I say it then? Boris? 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 That's Y. Going along X. We need to add... No, we do need to add the X. Ugh. Confusing. Oh, it's in Polish. That would probably do it, and I am certainly not Polish. Those you're white as well, Matthew. Haven't seen you in like 3 years. 3 or 4 years. If the start one is divisible, yeah. Break. Okay, let's. Oh, then we need to check if we're switching directions. So if we'll just give it like a 1 in 5 chance. If random dot range between 0 and or 1 in 5. Max exclusive. Yeah, so okay, that makes sense. It's more than 3. So if it's 4, then direction is equal, or the int is equal to okay, 0 and 4, and then if we can't do a full 180, oh, so we need to do a switch statement here. Sounds 30. Looks like 34. Sounds 12 is 17. All over the place. Okay. The new direction. Welcome, you people. Hope you're having a great day. Oh. I think we're just going to do a bunch of if statements for this. If the new direction is equal to 1 and direction is equal to 3, it's not called poly. Not what oh, when you saw the game poly? Yeah. Wait, what were you expecting, like Polytopia? Not that good. Okay. You know, doesn't have to be like that, but what's the opposite of 0 in this? I think it's 2. 0, 2. Yeah. And we also need to do the inverse. 2, 0, 3. Okay. How do we like? People correct autocorrect more than autocorrect correct people. I'm not even going to try to wrap my head around that. Okay. Wait. Oh my god. Wait. This is huge. It just worked. For like first try, there's just a few errors. Wait. Wait, I unironically wasn't expecting it to work first try. Wait, let's make a massive map, and let's see how it works. And I'll just, yeah, okay. We just set the camera size to like 25. And the speed to like 0.1. Yeah, it is really smooth. Thanks. That's gonna take forever. Let's just do 25 by 25. Okay. It's generating all good. What? What just happened? Index out of range. There is no way I just got an index out of range there. That makes no sense. Okay, I guess we can just go math there for lamp. Index is equal to massive of lamp. Our index between 0 and our tiles, our prefabs. You'll get your satisfying animation in a second. Okay. Guys, it's actually working. Wait, it's actually working? Let me just... It did a full 180! It ends up slowing down a lot. Like, that goes to... Man, coroutines are just nasty things. But that just went up. That's because of how many objects are in the scene, to be fair. Yeah, that's really depressing. 62,000 batches, we need to fix that. Hello. We got roads working. Almost. Going 7 by 7, I can show you. It generates a small road. We just need to do it. GPU instancing. Yeah, that's the plan. But we got a road generating and it can do twists and turns. It is extremely hype. You know, it's just a bunch of extremely inefficient code that shouldn't be like this. Like, this is disgusting. And there's still issues. There's still issues with it. You'll be able to see some issues real soon if it decides to turn. Okay. Not really. It's not turning anymore. Yeah. So, what happened here is it went up 2, took a left, and then the next one was there. It's not quite done, and also what I need to do is actually make it so it just goes until the end. Because, okay, right there, it took a 180, I think. I think what happened was when it's... So, some need to... When I do this, it needs to be when it's divisible by worldwide. It shouldn't matter, to be fair, but... Then choose 2 random edge points on different sides, then path between the edge. Edge, point, point, edge, point, point, edge. That's true. I'm starting from one end and generating a path. I think I'd rather go from one end to another and just keep doing this. You know what? Let's give generating a weird sized map an approach. A go. Let's go 14. Don't quite know what happened there. Like, what? What's happening? When I have a weird size map, I guess. I mean, I'll do square maps, but. Triangles. Oh, I feel like it, man. Squares are hard enough as it is to keep it all going well. Hey, that looked kind of cool around the river. So what's that one? That's when it's... That's the point. Oh. Yeah. But funny. Get it because of triangle. I think I'm confusing myself a lot. I'm confusing myself way too much. Wait, we needed that. We needed the direction one. removing this confusing stuff that we're gonna try it without it. We never put it in. We didn't ever do it without it. One, two, three, 4, 5. Keep trying to fix something that won't work. Yeah. So, if I remove all of the direction code, because the code itself, this part, is working. Wait. Yeah, okay. This stream's been really good, guys. Thank you so much. It did not work. Why is that? Or did it all just place? Nope, it placed one. Did I forget to add the start line? I did. Because this super simple code, right, works. And it works well. I think it was definitely the direction code that I was doing wrong. See, it works perfectly. It's just about adding turns into it. Like, maybe I actually don't have it so it can do backwards turns. Maybe I just do it that it can go forwards and it can turn once or twice. And it can only turn that way. Wait, hold on. If we're only doing from 0 to 4, right? I need like a sketch pad for this. So, weird size. Got Mr. Facts over here. Okay, so alright, we have 4 directions, right? We have 0, 1, 2, and 3. If we start on direction 0, we can add 1 or minus 1, right? And if we minus 1 from 0, that would get us to direction 3. And if we add 1, that would get us to direction 1. And so forth, right? If we add 1 from direction 1, we'd get to direction 2. And if we add 1, we'd get to direction 3. And each one can represent north, east, south, west. And same from here, if we go from 0 to 1. What if, after each movement, we have a chance of adding or subtracting 1? And obviously, we'll just do it. If it's on 0, and it subtracts 1, it goes to 3. Instead. Because right then, I was randomizing it from 0 to 4. But that makes no sense. And a road can't... What if you have 2 minutes to live? Oh, you just pass out. I think I cracked it. And then we can keep going in that direction. I will proceed. I'm doing it for myself. Very insightful, yeah, it is. It's all problem solving. That's why I love coding. It's like, all of coding is problem solving. Okay. Instead, let's call the start tile as well, because that's been confusing me. let's just corner this. I'm gonna go until I finish this road generation, and I think that'll be it for the stream for today. It's been really fun, guys. Still got a decent amount to do, but thanks for keeping me company. You guys that have been here so far. Alright. We still need an integer for the direction. You saw drunk men fighting? Was it funny? Yo, sounds like yo, it sounds like a Friday. Okay, we're still doing around what range 0 to 5. If we want a 1 in 3 chance, right? If it's more than or equal to 2, these are AO dev streams for real, man. Yep. If you want to see what we're doing, we're making this. It's a little world, and it generates a road, and it's gonna be a tower defense game. So enemies will go along the road, and you have to place down towers and harvest these resources and stuff, and build towers out of them. A little fun mini project I'm working on, and if it goes really well in the next few weeks, it might yeah, thanks man. If you want to stick around, we're just trying to add some twists and turns into the road. Yeah, I really appreciate you guys subbing. If you are, oh my, 810. Wait a minute. We've gained like 5 subs since the stream started. Oh my god, thank you guys so much. Hello, sorry if I mispronounced your name, Roger. Roger. Hope you're all having a great day. I've been having a lot of fun this stream, and you guys are keeping me company. We're just trying to add some twists and turns into the roads. So because right now it's just kind of straight. Algorithm is set this in the middle of my Unreal Engine and Blender. I mean, it's a mix, right? I have Blender open. worked on rock prefabs before. So I guess it's similar. Yeah. We had something semi-working before. You've been sub since 250? Wait, have you really? Oh my god, thank you so much. That's crazy. I didn't realize that. I wish YouTube. I wish the streams it had a way. There might be a way, I just don't know. But I don't think I've seen. Yeah, I can't. There's no way for me to like see how long everyone's been subbed for or something. Because that'd be really cool if it said like long time sub. And I think on Twitch it does, but. Alright, so we just need to figure out plus equals to 1 or minus equals to 1. Where did the OG Minecraft Let's Play vids go? I deleted that channel, I think. Did not like it. Oh my god, another viewer? Welcome. So, Randall deranged between the island generation. Not gonna lie, that was like one of my favorite videos I made. Pretty cool. We need to... Let's just add one to the direction each time now. Each time we do that, and we can... let's switch statement. And let's also say that we cannot move more than 2 times. So int turns left is equal to 2. We had all this before, but implemented in a different way. This should work. I love procedural generation so much. I think it is one of the most one of the nicest It's actually 10 grand. That's crazy. I've made more than 10 grand in my like career, but not for my games. But procedural generation, I think, is one of the most important things to add into games because it makes games so much more fun to have this this feature of randomness every time you play. That's why I love like The Binding of Isaac so much. It's one of my favorite games of all time because every run you have is different. And turns left is more than 0. Okay, we can only turn twice. I was busting my ass making a 3D procedural generation script for making ant colonies in Python. That's pretty cool. Not Grand GRs. I still play Binding... Oh, actually, no. I haven't played Binding of Isaac in quite a while. I have like 700 hours in it though. Okay, switch direction. Pace, 0. Pace 1. Break. Pace 2. Break. Pace 3. Break. Okay. So, pace 1. Our start tile. Gotta go. See ya, man. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you have a wonderful... What's it in Poland? It'll be morning, right? It'll be like 2 PM or something. See ya, man. See, I like this community that we've built onto the streams. Everyone's so nice. This is what we need. Every stream we'll get people and everyone's nice to one another. You know, use this as like a space where you guys can chill. Alright, start tile plus equals to world size. It's equals to what? Minus equals to world size dot y dot x. And then minus equals to 1. That... Okay. Nah. There's no shot. Like... I thought I was being smart there, but I don't quite understand how that screwed up. What? What is... It's like... I'm so confused. Like... I don't get what that one was... Like, what is this? What's the final size? This seems perfect to me. A 7x7. 49 tiles. Order of operations, most likely. So, yeah, 7x7's like my ideal size. Because I feel like you can fit... There's enough room that the enemies can move around. But there is also enough room to place stuff down. But we might, like... What I can do is, like most games, you can set, like, if you wanted a bigger map, you could go 14x14 and it will create a 14x14 map for you. So I'll probably make it that it is random. What did it do here? See, that just... I don't know why it's doing that. That's really weird to me. Okay, we can... Oh, let's try do this. Okay. So if turns left is more than 0, we can add 1 to the direction. If we add 1 to the direction, so that should only ever change twice. If it's 0, then we add minus first of all. let's just do that. And we'll clamp the direction. I don't know how I'd convert to index afterwards. The idea for enemies, I'm gonna try doing little baby slimes for now, and then I might add like goblins, maybe. Also, the road's just temporary color. Or I could do like tanks. That'd be kind of cool. Welcome all the new viewers. Hope you're having a good day. Y multiplied by world size x plus y. Would that work? Index is equal to the... Oh my god. Wait, you're actually like... Yeah. No, you had it. I think you had it right the first time. It is kind of popping off. No, you're actually really onto something there, Dave. That sounds correct. Almost. One more, guys. One more concurrent viewer and we can pull this to 10. And that will be my most concurrent viewers. Oh, 2 just dropped. Never mind. We'll keep streaming. We'll keep streaming. It's been really fun, so I'll keep it going. Yeah, you're onto something there. However, I still don't... Okay. Vector 3. Or Vector 2, actually. We'll stick in 2 dimensions. I don't want to make it complicated. Start file pos is equal to new Vector 2, 0, 0. Right? And then we can set the start tile pos. Oh, you're back. Welcome back. We had a revelation. Okay. And let's actually create a method that returns an index. 10 concurrent viewers! We did it, boys! I see it here. I may not show it for you guys, but it shows it for me here. With valid expansion coords being saved as a temporary variable that would be selected at random if they weren't already present in the process. Inefficient, irrelevant. And 2 dropped off. I have a feeling that some bots coming. Because there's, what, 5 of us that are talking? Because I'm not counting. Public int. Convert vector to 2 people don't like to party for real, man. Hey, if you 2 people are actively watching the stream, pop a message and say hi. No, some people might just be listening to it. On average, 70% of stream viewers tend to lurk. Oh, that's true. I never thought about that. Convert vectors to index. So, I need to scroll up in the chat. What was your... I think your first one was correct. Y multiplied by world size for x plus y. I think, because we're using y as... Okay. 2. Okay, let's return. Let's give your algorithm a go. Or your little statement. So, vector dot y multiplied by the world size dot x plus x dot y. Wait. No. Yeah, you were... Oh. Oh. Wait. Okay. vector 2 in. Plus x because we've already used y. Yeah. Wait. Vector x multiplied by world size x. Yeah. Plus y. Yeah, this is correct. Because let me go back to paint. We have y. Sorry. Y is there. X is there. If we have x coordinate, if it's 3, 3, for example, we add 3 times... Wait. 3 times y. Okay. Sweet. Oh my god. The math. I'm enjoying it. So that should give us... That should give us the index after we convert from a vector. Okay. Okay. Let's get the index and set it equal to convert vector to index, and let's convert the start tile pos. And that needs to be a vector 2 minutes. Have you been streaming the whole project? Please not gonna lie, I might need to watch this from the start. Yeah, I have been actually. I started streaming it 2 days ago. I had this idea for this game in the shower, so I decided that I would start streaming it that night. You haven't missed a whole lot, but I mean, if you wanna watch the whole thing, you're way too ambitious, dude. That's perfect. If you're ambitious in game dev, it means that you can probably follow your dreams at some point, right? Even if it feels like you're way too ambitious, you'll figure it out. You'll get, like, Poly, which is the game I've made. It you know, it's one of those things that I found it to be just right. I mean, this is like probably in my wheelhouse of being able to complete, but it's just about finding the project that you're able to complete. Yep. Dude, same. I mean, not same, but I don't know what you mean by you're not sure if engines are ready for everything I wanted to. Or you maybe like making the multiverse. Like, I need to stop chewing on my fingers. We have the index, and we have position. Okay. Let's go ahead and finally, the switch is really easy now, I think, because of Dave. Dave, you are the single reason why this has become easy. Oh, like modding support within the game? Dang. That's a cool concept. That's a really cool concept. Yeah, everyone, 11 concurrent viewers. I have to make my own engine from scratch. Hey man, that's always an option, but you have to code it in like C. Yeah, C or C++. Maybe I should just become a streamer, guys, and just like edit down VODs. I mean, if it's doing this good, how many years have been doing game dev? I've been doing it since I was 13. So I've been doing it for like 5 years, basically. 12 or 13, so 5 or 6 years. I remember my first game was a game called The Room, and it was a sandbox game where you just pick up objects and throw them and stuff. It was actually really fun. Okay, so start tile pos plus equals to dot x. Dave, your contribution is going to be putting in effort now. Hey, Kenzie. I did start on the computer that I rendered by cooking the 40k image. Turning the dev process into content is pretty smart. Yeah, it's also a nice way to get my ideas down on the page for laptop. Yep, that was a Lenovo IdeaPad. I don't know the numbers, but I know it was a Lenovo IdeaPad, and that poor thing got fried because in Blender, I set the... This is before Blender was ever efficient at all, and I ended up setting... Oh my... Wait, it's actually working. Dave, you legend, Dave. There's no shot. Alright, it's fine, the index is out of range. It's actually working. Is it gonna do any more than just... It's working! It's fucking working! And it looks so good! It's a little bit weird. It goes up now on the X. We need to pick, it's because we're starting from 0, 0. Yeah, but we need to put it in a while loop now. And then it will be, like, perfect if we put it in a while loop. But, let's random.range. Let's quickly do this from 0 to world size.x. Okay. What's it doing? Oh, I see. That's my bad. We started on the Y, not the X. Because we're increasing on the Y, on the X straight away. Why does it go up still? That's so weird. Don't let it generate in corners. You don't reckon? Alright, I'm gonna do what someone said and increase the map size, because I don't get why it's going up straight away. Let's build a 20 by 20. Okay. And maybe the turns left, let's set that to like 5. Let's say it can do more than 1 turn. However, the direction needs to be random.range between -1 and 1. Max exclusive, so that needs to be 2. I hate that it's inclusive exclusive. Kenzie, you've just joined, but it's been about an hour and 10 minutes, and we finally have something that looks nice. The road generation. We've been working on just the... Oh no! I think I need to... Yeah, I still need to optimize it. If you set max sensor, make sure to set logic cube. Yeah. We're just gonna decrease the chance. Wait, maybe I do need to set it on the X. Because... Are we increasing on Y by default? Let me see. We are increasing by Y on default. Hours of nothing working, you finally get a result. That's just meh. For real, though. What? Okay, well, we're gonna see if it can do one turn. Oh. It needs to be perfect by tonight. It needs to, the road generation needs to work perfect. If this strategy doesn't do what you need, you can set the program to generate random tuples and make a script to connect them seamlessly. Mm-hmm. That's true. I think this way is gonna work. This way is definitely gonna work, from the looks of it. It's just about figuring out that. This. Okay. Let's get it so it's generating what's actually going on. Okay. Quick update for everyone that's just joined the stream. We're building a management tower defense game. And basically, yesterday and the day before was working on generating, the world. We can select chunks and we can actually split it apart. And you can select each one and it has like lumber and stuff. We can harvest it. And it adds to our inventory, and then you'll be able to build towers and stuff out of it. Yeah, it's really cool. I actually love this. You can like split it apart and shit. But what we're doing right now is the enemies have to go along a specific path, so we are generating that path. And the reason why I'm doing it tile-based is I like tile-based. So yeah, that's what we're doing for anyone who's just joined the stream and is catching up. Let's go ahead. For real, they are based. Tile based. Okay. See, this should be working. I think it's about figuring out the direction. Let's go let's quickly make an integer to make sure the turning is working properly. Int, let's just make it f is equal to 0. And let's go at the end of each one, let's actually go f++. And then if our f, oh, wait. I'm actually dumb as hell. I added this in. I added that in ages ago. Okay. Never mind. I'm gonna make a int f and we'll set it equal to 0. Yo, how's it going? T plays. I didn't see you. Alright, we will do the f++, and what f++ is doing is we're just gonna swap direction after f is equal to like 6. If f is divisible by 6, then we can set f is equal to 0 and direction ++. So in this case, it's gonna go, and we're actually gonna chuck this in a while loop. Good old while loops, eh? Who's ready to crash Unity? like unironically, but we'll crash it a few times. I genuinely do not like while loops, but just create a boolean called finished. While finished is equal to false. Unfinished is equal to false. How long do we have on our playlist? Oh my god, there's still an hour left on our lounge jazz. We're good. So while finish is equal to false, we're gonna keep doing this. And if the world size, this is actually where it gets cool. So if the world size dot y is more than, sorry, the start tile while game div. No. While start tile poles dot y, so if start tile poles dot y is more than the world size dot y, then we can set finish is equal to true. So theoretically, it actually should be fine. Theoretically, this should always break out, because we've given it a way to always break out. It's just when it gets to the point where there's like that very small 0.1% chance that it can't break out of a loop is when it like, is when it just struggles. That's what you need to worry about, but we're good.
When start tile paused, or y is less than 0, finish.
Okay. Let's see. Still indexes outside of bounds. Are you... Why does it do that? You know what, let's go ahead and actually remove the direction. No, we need the direction. Let's remove the way of increasing direction. And let's remove turns left, because we don't need that anymore. And let's also remove F. We should be getting there, guys. It seems like there is light at the end of the tunnel at this stage. You know, we're getting closer to it. Alright. That should just go straight ahead. Why does that do that? Is that to do with this? It's just generating one too many. But while finish is equal to false, and then we're setting it equal to true. So why is it going and generating another one? If it's less than or equal to 0. That's my bad. That's my bad for not seeing that. And then... Okay, we have that working now. Now, let's just do it. That direction. Let's, again, do a random direction thing. If random.range between 0 and 10 comes out to be more than 7. then direction plus plus, or direction plus equals to random dot range between -1 and 2. And then if our direction is more than 3, set it to 0. Wait, we set it to 0. And if our direction is less than 0, then direction is equal to 3. Okay. Boom. Let's give ourselves a big map. Cross your fingers, ladies and gentlemen. I think it's just gentlemen here, but let's cross our fingers. Chunk be with you. There's no way. There is no way. Well, you know, it's kind of funny, you know. I might do it like batch generation, which is what I do with the terrain series. Wait, why did it stop? Why did it stop? Oh, it turned into itself. No, it didn't. Wait, yeah, but I haven't even set in any place to. I didn't set it to be able to do that. To stop when it hits itself. That's not a thing yet. Whoa. That was huge. Why did it stop? That turned to the left. Okay, we're actually instead we're gonna generate it right smack in the center. We're gonna go random dot range between size of x divided by 2 minus 2 and plus 2. Well, stream's kind of quieting down. It might be almost time to end it. I can just tell. I can tell we're close. Looks whack. I mean, yeah, it looks a lot better when it's smaller and we goes. It actually worked. Is that a fluke? I'm gonna. Yeah, that was like, it was perfect, but like the ones before, the ones before weren't. So I'm extremely confused. Oh, it was so close! Are you kidding me? It was so close! What was that? Are you kidding me? It was a tile off. Maybe it's an issue with being a tile off. Are you kidding me? Oh, man. Oh. Okay, another generation. We need to see if it's a fluke or the range function. Mayhaps. I will give it another go. Okay, that one instantly turned and then turned back on itself. I think what I need to do is maybe give it some thing where it has to go at least a minimum of like 3. before. One short, yeah. So the range would be... Where would that be? Here. If it's... It can't end on this. Well, that's not that bad if it ends on the same side it starts. Because it could do a huge loop around. It could do a loop all the way. That worked. If it loops all the way around, I'm fine with that. It's when it does something like this. Like it starts, it goes like that, and then instantly ends. What we want it is so it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, or 4 minimum, and then it can go. Keep going to see if it stops short on bottom left edge. Yeah, good idea. I'm just gonna generate smaller maps now then, because we know it works. Watch it, it won't. It works perfect. Yeah, of course it doesn't, like... Yo! We got it! We got the funny one! We got it! Yo, try play. Try complete this map. That'd be crazy. Could you imagine trying to complete that? Like, you could put a tower there, and like around, but you'd be so limited. That'd be crazy. Like one ocean tile. I don't know. What I might do is like the less. I don't know what tools we got. You got I don't know. I was thinking naval vessel. You could do like little naval vessels in the water. You could do archer towers, cannons. I don't know. I don't even know what towers we're gonna do yet. I'm actually just so addicted to doing this world gen right now, to be fair. Because this is actually just so fun. Yeah, let's put it back to the old world generation speed. You know what this reminds me of? I've finally remembered what it reminds me of. Game Boy Tower, I'm not gonna do that. This reminds me of the Lego building animation from all the Lego games, like Lego Star Wars and Marvel and stuff. Like when all the bricks pop up onto the object. Hey, it looks like it's doing decent. What I just want to do now is have an integer called length, and the length is equal to 0, and every time we add one, spend more time making prestige and colony than the ants to go in it. Yeah, for real. Well, if I can get this world gen working perfectly, right? Like, absolute perfectly. That I should... Like, it should make the rest of the game much easier to code. And length is more than 4, so we cannot change direction unless each individual length is more than 3, let's say. We can then reset the length. Okay. Let's try this on a big map. 14 by 14. That means that the camera will need to be on by 7, I think. Terrifying. No. No. No one. Generated fast again. Alright. Okay. Generating a lot of straight lines. Let's now that we've put in that safeguard, let's actually go ahead and give it... Wait, this length is more than, let's say 3. Increases the chance dramatically for it to, for the road to be randomized. To go in different directions. Dude! It's working! Oh, we got one of these. Another one. What? That was so cool. That was sick. And to be fair, what's wrong with this one? Like, if we really pinpoint it, what's wrong with it? They're just gonna go up. They're gonna go up that way. They're gonna go down, 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 down. There's nothing wrong with this map. Like, that's another really cool one. This is so cool. Okay, I think we're gonna have to call it there on the stream, guys. Alternate tile models, it'd be perfect. Oh, for the roads? Or do you mean for these? Oh no, wait. We're using Perla noise right now. Oh, we're a bridge over another road for a crossing. That's true. Okay. I mean, this one's fine as well. That's the thing. This one's okay. And a canyon for one road next to another. Canyon? Oh, like a little dip? Yeah. I think I'm gonna have to call it there, guys, with the stream. It has been so fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you. Let's see how many subs we're at. Like, 811? We gained like 6-7 subs this stream. Thank you guys so much. So, yeah, have a great night, evening. Yeah, I've really enjoyed this. Let's go over all the stuff we've done today. We've you can harvest and the roads are in the game. That's what 2.5 hours of progress took. So you know what? I'm really happy with that. It's 12 o'clock here, basically. I'm gonna go have a shower, even though I've already had one tonight. Makes me feel better, and I've had a lot of fun. See you guys. Have a good night, morning. Ciao. Till next time.